Hi Facebook friends, it's me Angela. If you don't already know it from my Facebook wall, I am a travel agent. And just before Thanksgiving, I got a call from a Facebook friend who asked me if I ever planned vacation packages for football fans. And I said, no, I've never done that before. But he had described the Pro Bowl in January in Hawaii. And I thought, geez, what a good reason to get out of town. Vacation plus football. Great combination. So I pulled together 3 packages for football fans to attend the Pro Bowl. And each package includes, obviously, round-trip transfers to and from the hotels, a ticket to the Pro Bowl itself, also a ticket to the official NFL tailgate party. Also, you get, the hotels themselves are together, so it's like one big block party for the weekend. I found that out from contacting the hotels. They said they sell out, so if you're really interested, definitely move fast. So send me an email at info@travelforeveryseason.com, info@travelforeveryseason.com if you're interested, and I will respond with the pricing, and if you need help with the airfare, I can help you with that as well. So until then, ciao for now.